If you're weighing every pack manually, a semi-automatic weigh filler is often the first step towards automation. But different products require different weighing solutions. Choosing the cheapest or simplest machine can limit your accuracy, output, and future flexibility. Factory IQ is here to help you understand what to look for before you invest. These systems automatically feed, weigh, and discharge a preset portion, while the operator can still handle the bag and sealing separately. You get precision weighing without investing in a complete automatic packaging line. But weigh fillers are not all the same. This system uses 4 weighing lanes with multiple feeding stages, giving much greater production capability than a basic filler. Notice the dimpled product contact surfaces. These are commonly used when products are sticky or difficult to move smoothly, helping reduce contact and improve product flow. And this screen shows why the configuration matters. Each weighing channel is independently monitored as product feeds toward the programmed 200-gram target. More weighing capacity allows the machine to prepare portions efficiently, while maintaining controlled feeding near the target weight. Now change the product completely. Larger, fragile, or irregular products behave very differently from small, free-flowing pieces. That's why hopper design, feeding stages, vibration settings, and product contact surfaces should be selected around the actual product. And because you're not tied to a bag-making machine, changing products, pack sizes, or packaging formats can be much simpler. The same concept can also scale much further. Here, we're no longer filling small retail portions. This system is configured for 15-kilogram bags. A larger hopper and a heat-titer help manage the bulk product, while an automatic conveyor keeps the weighing system supplied. The operator simply positions the bag. The machine clamps it in place, weighs the required quantity, and automatically discharges the product. So before buying a weigh filler, don't start with the machine. Start with your product, target weight, required output, and packaging format. Pat can then help configure the right weighing system for your application. Factory IQ, Smarter Factory Decisions. Pat Manufacturing Solutions.
Después de meses, años de seguimiento, análisis y vigilancia constante, tenemos que aceptar una conclusión que nunca contemplamos al inicio de esta investigación.